In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and embed Google Maps to your Framer website. We'll start on Google Maps. Open your browser and go to the Google Maps website. Once you're there, look for the search bar at the top. This is where you'll type in the location you want to show on your website. It could be your office, a store, an event venue, or any place you want visitors to find easily. Type in the place name and press enter. Google Maps will zoom into that area and show you a pin on the map. Make sure you click on the specific result you want from the list on the left or from the map itself. This ensures Google selects the exact location and opens its details panel, which we'll need for the next steps. In that details panel, look for the share option. It's usually represented by an icon and the word share. Click on it and a pop-up window will appear. At the top of that pop-up, you'll see two tabs. Switch to the one labeled Embed a Map. This is where Google gives you the code you'll need for your Framer site. You'll see a preview of the map in a box with some HTML code. You can also adjust the size from the drop-down if you like, but you can always control the size later in Framer 2. When you're ready, click on the button that says Copy HTML. This copies the entire embed code to your clipboard. Now let's move over to Framer. Open your Framer project and go to the page where you want the map to appear. Once you're on that page, look for the Insert option in the top or side toolbar and click on it. A panel will open with different categories of elements you can add. From that panel, find the Utility section and click it. Inside Utility, look for the Embed component. Click and drag the Embed element onto your canvas and drop it where you want the map to live. You can resize this frame roughly to the shape and area you want on the page. With the Embed element selected, look for the HTML field in the Properties panel. Click inside that field, then paste the